Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change the name servers for your Ionos domain. Let's get started. First, go to the Ionos website and sign in using your customer account from the upper right corner. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Domains and SSL to manage your domains. Find the domain that you want to update, then click the three dots next to it and select Name Server. Here, you'll see your current name servers. To change them, click on Use Custom Name Servers. Now, head over to your DNS provider and copy the name servers they provided. Once you have them, go back to Ionos and paste the new name servers into the fields provided. After entering the correct values, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully updated your domain's name servers on Ionos. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.